Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not completely awake yet this morning. It's probably afternoon for you, but Tuesday's tip of the day, we're gonna clean some black wheels, and usually we'll use this same process for cleaning like specialty forged, American Forces, then kind of wheels. We're usually really careful not to use any kind of brushes and stuff on them, but hopefully you guys like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, but let's get this day started, guys. All right, getting the day started. Oh, we got a package in. That's always nice. Definitely beats a bill. Let's see what we got here. Oh, looks like our poster from Jack. Entered for this giveaway. Really wanted that truck, but we didn't win. But we did get a nice poster. Thanks, Jack. The wheels that we're going to be cleaning up today are these XD black wheels. We're using our dedicated wheel washing bucket. Got a brush in there, a microfiber towel, that way we can just toss it when we're done in case we pick up any rocks. Then this lug nut wheel hole cleaning tool that actually came off our wheel wormette wheel cleaning brush. Followed with P&S car shampoo. You guys can use whatever car soap that you like to use. As for wheel cleaner, we'll be using the P&S Iron Buster. I love this product. It works amazing and it's safe to use on ceramic coated wheels such as these. I'm going to go ahead and remove the center caps and the Allen screws. As you can see here, the dull finish ones are the actual screws, and then them real shiny chrome ones are like the fake ones. So this one has 3 dull finish Allen screws. We'll remove all of them, and then right before you remove that last screw, I just like to hold on to the back of the center cap there to make sure it doesn't fall off and scratch the wheel. Also make sure that you don't drop any screws onto the wheels when you remove them. Next, we'll go ahead and pre-rinse off the wheel, try to get off any of that heavy grit and dirt, and then we'll follow up with scrubbing the tire with the Jion tire cleaner. I like this tire cleaner since it is safe to use on coated wheels, and sometimes when you're using a tire cleaner, it will get onto the wheel a little bit or drip onto it, and you don't want to use any high alkaline degreasers or stuff on coated wheels because it could affect the hydrophobic properties. If needed, you can scrub the tires with a stiff bristle brush like we just did, and then just rinse them off with your hose or your pressure washer. Pressure washer sometimes does work a little bit better. It's finally time to hit it with some wheel cleaner. We're using the P&S Iron Buster. Just make sure to spray it on the inside of the wheel. Let it sit on there for a minute or two. I wouldn't recommend using on a hot wheel or trying to use this product in the sun or any wheel cleaner for that matter. And then we're just going to go ahead and clean it with our microfiber towel, making sure not to scrub too hard, just enough pressure to get the dirt off. And then every once in a while, wring out your wash mitt in the bucket and keep going to town. And like I tell the guys in the shop, it's better to just go slow and steady, hit the wheels right the first time. That way when you're done the whole detail, you don't have to come back and wipe off wheels. Sometimes you'll miss a spot here and there, but just take your time and agitate everything nice and evenly. No need to rush in this process, and just do one wheel at a time. Don't try to spray them all down with wheel cleaner and try to do them all at once. Then once I got the wheel faces done, I'll go ahead and hit the lug nut holes using the wheel wormette attachment. Unfortunately, they don't sell this attachment separately, but I'll put a link in the description for this tool. And then just go ahead and rinse off all the wheel cleaner, making sure not to let anything dry. And next is the back of the wheels. You could remove the wheels if you want to. If you want to, you could use a wheel cleaning brush. I typically don't like to on these nice wheels, just in the chance of possibly scratching the wheel face, just them little edges. So I'll typically just get on the creeper, get back there with my microfiber towel. Is it the most glorious job? No, it does a much better job and more even pressure. Sometimes with the wheel brushes you can't get even pressure behind the wheel. If you wanted to do a crazy detail to your vehicle like once a year, I'd probably just pop off the wheels. That way you can clean the back of the tires really well, and then the back of the wheels really well once a year, and maybe do a freshen up on the coating if you have a coating. And then just go ahead and blow everything off, get it all nice and dry. I'm sure I will have to come back later and dry these wheels off a second time, since we do all our wheel cleaning, prep work, tires, wheel wells, do all that before we even get the body of the truck wet to reduce any kind of water spotting. And then just wipe down any water that might miss, or you could spend probably hours trying to blow water out of these wheels. And I almost forgot to clean the center caps, so we'll just get them clean, throw them back on. And that's pretty much how we clean standard wheels. Like I said, you could get crazy and pop wheels off and do them that way, but this is how I would do it on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. Also, please feel free to subscribe if you want to be part of the Pristine team. And thank you so much for watching.